Struggling to get your first 100 subscribers? You're not alone. But in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it fast, even with zero budget. Why 100 subscribers matter? Your first 100 subscribers unlock custom URLs, algorithm trust, and momentum. Why this milestone is more important than you think. Step 1. Pick one niche. Choose one clear focus. Are you teaching, entertaining, or informing? A confused channel never grows fast. Step 2. Use titles that people are searching. Go to YouTube, type your topic, and use what auto-completes as your exact title. That's what people are already searching for. Step 3. Post YouTube Shorts. Shorts are your secret weapon. Post 3 shorts per week and always say, full video and description. Step 4. Comment strategy. Comment on big YouTubers in your niche, but add value, don't spam. A good comment gets clicks, and clicks can turn into subs. Step 5. Ask for subscriptions the right way. Say this: if you learned something new, consider subscribing. It helps the channel grow. People subscribe when it feels natural. Step 6. Use playlists to increase watch time. After uploading your video, always add it to a playlist. This groups similar videos and keeps viewers on your channel longer, boosting your watch time. Step 7. Set a channel trailer. A powerful channel trailer grabs attention in seconds. Use your best or most helpful video to show new visitors what your channel is all about. Step 8. Branding matters. Logo, banner, watermark. Your channel's look tells viewers if you're serious. A clean banner, profile pic, and watermark builds trust. And trust builds subscribers. Step 9. Learn from analytics. Your YouTube analytics tells the truth. Check what titles people click, how long they watch, and when they leave. Let your data guide your next video. Step 10. Don't chase perfection, just start. You don't need perfect lighting or a fancy mic to grow. Just focus on helping real people, one video at a time. You'll get better as you go. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube to share it with more creators like you. And hey, I drop YouTube growth tips like this every week, so hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what's your channel about, and how many subs are you aiming for next?